Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to use a file. It is a diamond file, the best way of filing nails. And it's not only it is a special tool for your nails, and it is for your manicure, not for your pedicure. That means you have a manicure instrument here. Okay? A manicure involves taking care of hands and fingernails. Everyone knows what a nail scissors, nail files, or nail clipper are they? All instruments used to trim fingernails. However, you can find many other manicure tools to upgrade your nail care. But in this case, it is the center is in this manicure instrument, the filing. What is filing? Filing is a material removal process in manufacturing, similar depending on use to both saving and grinding in effect. It is functionally versatile, but used mostly for finishing operations, namely deburring operations. Filing operations can be used on a wide range of materials, and in this case, it is your fingernail material. And the first thing you have to do is it is only advised wash your fingernails and take a fingernail bath about 10 minutes, because this will make your fingernails a little bit flexible, and they do not can take damage because of the fail. Okay, the file will remove material from your nails. This is important. You can form a new shape of your fingernails with this instrument. And this is a REMOS Diamond File, coarse and fine surface. You have two surfaces on this one file. And clean and fast with this REMOS Diamond File. File the finger and toenails for you with easy doing. The diamond coating file gently treads the nail and has a fine and coarse side for perfect results. The disinfectable nail file is very durable due to the hardness of the material stainless steel and with a diamond coating. The length is 10 or 15 centimeters, like you can choose it. These are 3.9 inches or 5.9 inches. And start from the edges, from the outside. The outside of your nails should be form one line. Okay, it will come from your finger and go out on one line. So start every time if you will work on your fingernails from the outside and go then to the center on the front side of it. And while you are doing this, rotate a little bit of a half moon in it, okay? And go from the right side to the center, then go from the left side to the center. Start with the rough side, with the side which has an coarse file finish. That means this is for removing a little bit of your hand nails, the coarse side. And if you finish the coarse side, that means if you have a good shape of your fingernails, then rotate the diamond file 180 degrees, and then make a finish work. But it's the same thread. Go from the outside up to the inner side with a fine area, the fine side. So first, clean your fingernails, then use the coarse side from the outside to the inside. Go from the right and the left side to the front. Form your nails in one half moon. The nails should not have to stand over your tips. That means only a half moon, job's done. Then rotate it 180 degrees and make finish with a fine surface of the REMOS Diamond File in this case. It is a nice and easy to use file, good quality, and I like it really much because it's not so uncomfortable to use this file on my fingernails. I like this very much. And so you can have a good shape, you can form your fingernails as you like. Yeah. Thanks for watching, please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.